The inseparable verbs are not that easy to be recognized, but there is not too many signals, not too many prefixes that are inseparable. And they're easily learned with a little trick that I will show you now. 3 examples to show you how they work. Ich besuche meine Eltern, I visit my parents, and you see besuche, the BE sticks to the rest of the verb. So you would never be able to say ich suche meine Eltern be, and actually most of my students get that it feels a bit weird. Sie entdeckt einen Schatz, she discovers treasure. Wir vergessen dich nicht, we won't forget you. Fair. So you have be, and fair as examples, but as you can see here we have a few more. Actually it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 plus a few more that you will learn automatically after this. So how do you learn these? They're pretty abstract and boring, and I've learned them myself like this. I can recite them any second. You call me at 3 at night, I will say be enter verzehr gemiss without thinking. So I've learned them as a magic spell. Imagine a magician, maybe Harry Potter or Hermione or David Hasselhoff, whatever magician you prefer, and imagine that magician to try to cast a spell on verbs because he's so annoyed by them being separable that he wants them to stick together with a spell. And he's doing like be enter verzehr gemiss, and he's doing that a few times to make sure the prefixes are always stuck to the stem, the rest of the word. Yeah, one more time. Be enter verzehr gemiss. And this is how I have learned the inseparable prefixes, so I can recite them anytime without thinking. So go for it, cast a few spells, and you will be fine with this topic.